Right, thanks for joining me once again. Today, another motion sensor for SmartThings. This is their new one that's a bit like a satellite dish. Got this because two of the original ones I've had go faulty, which is extremely annoying. One was replaced by SmartThings, the other one wasn't because it was just out of warranty, which is rather annoying. 3M tape on there. I'm not sure if there's a bit. They can't expect you to stick that to the wall or wherever else, but there's no way of hooking it onto the wall with a screw. There's your motion sensor, which uses a CR2 battery rather than one of the multiple other variations I've used. This is one of the other ones that they had, and then the newer one is even thicker than that. But yeah, it doesn't tell you that you need a certain brand either, unlike other sensors. But yes, there is our new SmartThings Motion Sensor. Thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe and join me next time for something else. Bye for now.